Hello friends, my name is Tisha Patel and today we are going to make a project on waste management. Things we will need is shown. With a scale and black marker, we will draw borders on the chart paper. Then we are going to take color printouts of blue dustbin and green dustbin. Blue dustbin represents dry waste and green dustbin represents wet waste. And with the help of glue, we are going to stick both of our dustbins on the chart paper. To avoid mistakes, I have traced with a pencil the writing work. Now with any color marker, we will stack the writing. With black, I am writing dry and wet. This is first slogan, think before you trash it. And second slogan, that's it. Some examples are at the sides of dustbin. Wet waste and dry waste example. And it's ready. A beautiful project. Hope you like my video. So please like, share and subscribe.